Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm just going to be doing a twist out using the Terra Veda Organix Curl Love Moisturizing Styler. Now this is a nice thick and creamy moisturizer. When I was detangling, my curls were looking so juicy and so defined. Once I felt like the product was spread nicely through my hair, I just began breaking into smaller sections and twisting. When I finished, my twists were looking real juicy. So the next morning, I just put a little bit of some random oil on my hands and I started untwisting. Look at the definition already. Then I began separating the sections a little bit. Of course, you guys know I love big voluminous hair, so I just began gently picking. I really liked my results. I was loving the volume. My hair felt soft and fluffy. I highly recommend you guys try out the Curl Love Moisturizing Styler. The link will be below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.